Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I'm Ali. Today I'm going to present Service Bus Queue. So without any further delay, let's start. What is a Service Bus Queue? Service Bus Queue is a messaging channel that allow decoupling of application by providing a highly scalable, reliable communication for sending and receiving messages between independent source and components. So here you can see this is our service bus queue where we are receiving a record from web app, mobile app or services, and using that service bus queue we can send in a receiver. So let's dig more how it's work in the next slide basically. So here you can see here service bus namespace present in our in the between where our message center. It can be a mobile app, it can be a web app, or it can be a services as well. So it will send the message in the service bus queue, and service bus queue then send the messages to that particular receiver whatever we want to send. So the receiver whatever we want to send, this is reliable because once message came in service bus, the security and message maintaining everything done by Microsoft. So this is much more reliable from the security point of view. Let's proceed further. What kind of benefit or feature that we have for service bus queue? So first thing, we have decouple architecture. So it will help us to decouple our components, because for some reason we are sending message from A to B and for some reason B is down, then we can keep the message in service bus queue. So there is no point of stopping the each and everything as well. So from that perspective, it is very much important when your architecture need to be decoupled. So service bus queue help us to do the decouple thing. Next thing is reliability. As this thing is controlled by Microsoft, so Microsoft take each and everything whatever required, so the security perspective, so and it will try to send the messages to the receiver whenever required. The scalability, so it is very easy and straightforward scalability. Whenever required on the time of peak time, we can scale it up as per our requirement. And flexibility, so here we can use service bus queue in any kind of data messaging pattern, for example point to point or publisher subscriber or subscribe delivery. So whatever way we want, so we can do. Next we have kind of use cases that we have. So there is basically I want to present three kind of use cases. Event driven architecture, so whenever we have message in service bus queue, automatically the receiver app will be triggered and it will take, and batch processing, we can send those messages in a one exact time, and or the micro services integration, so it will be the queue will be between various services, for example A, B, C, so microservices will be present in between. Moving further, there is some few practice that I just want to present. For example, batching. So if we are able to club all few messages and we can send that, the throughput will be higher and it will be easy to maintain as well. Then the poison messaging, so sometime it may happen that we are not able to send some message, so on that time we can we should have a clear mechanism what we need to do for those messages, otherwise it will keep trying and it kill our throughputs. And for that, the next point came for dead letter queue. In dead letter queue, whatever message we are not able to process, we can put in a dead letter queue, so that later on we can see what happened with those messages. Apart from that, we should have a monitoring and alerting part, so that we can see how it is behaving and each and everything is working as per expectation or not. That's all today I have. If you have any question or anything related to service review, please put your comments and like and share.